Let's go ahead and put our gold fasteners into the picture frame and get it ready for closing onto the back of the second piece of cardboard. I just go ahead and insert it right into the hole. Again, I didn't make my hole too big, so it'll fit nice and tight. And once it's in, I'm going to cover it up with some tape and get it ready for painting and covering also with a base paint so that you won't be able to see it so well. And that should hide the gold studs that are up here on the sides of the picture frame. So wherever you see the gold fastener, take a piece of masking tape and just put it over the top. And we see that it leaves a little bit of a, it's elevated a little bit, and that's the reason why I didn't want to use too many, because even though you won't be able to see it, but the elevation is going to still be there. So I just want to use the 4 fasteners, one on each side. And I cover it up with the masking tape so you can't see it, and then when I apply my base paint, it'll also give an added cover so that they won't show through. I haven't closed the fasteners, the ends are still sticking straight out, and I'm not going to close them until I've actually attached the second piece of carton over the back, and that's going to hold it into place. Notice when I put the back on, it sits in between all of the points of the fasteners. Now the fasteners have the ends that fold down, so this is the way we're going to hold the back into place. It doesn't actually go through the back, the second piece of carton. It actually just makes a kind of border very close to the edge of the carton, and then we can just fold the edges of the fastener down, and that holds the back in place, and it's easily taken off and put back on if we want to change the picture. So now I've shown you how to put the gold fasteners into the picture frame, cover them with tape, and create a holder for the back piece of carton.